Psychology says when a girl acting like she does not care about you anymore, that's when she needs you the most. According to a study, the average man gets bored during a shopping trip with their wife or girlfriend after just 26 minutes. Don't talk or be with each other all day long. Too much of anything is bad for relationship. The more attracted you are to someone, the easier it is for them to make you laugh. If you don't love yourself, you will always be chasing people who don't love you either. Tears don't come when you miss a person, but they come when you don't want to miss a person. Even the best person in your life will lie to you at some point because maybe sometimes you are more important than truth. A study was conducted and found that both the person in a relationship can't love each other equally. One person will definitely sacrifice more, give more than he or she gets. Life becomes more meaningful when you realize the simple fact that you will never get the same moment twice. Women are biologically attracted to guys taller than them because height is associated with the ability to protect and defend subconsciously. It takes at least it takes at least 6 to 8 months for the brain to process complete forgiveness for someone who hurt you emotionally. The strongest people tend to smile even during their toughest times. Smiling is a psychological symbol of strength. Keep smiling. Being single will save you 1,000 times more stress than being in the wrong relationship. Don't get emotionally connected with anyone cause when they stop talking with you, you never come out of it.